To use Whoop Sign Up, start by visiting the Whoop website and clicking on the Sign Up button. This will take you to a page where you can enter your email address and choose a password for your account. Make sure to use a valid email address and a strong password to ensure the security of your account. Next, you will be prompted to enter some basic information such as your name, date of birth, and height. This information is used to create a personalized profile and track your progress over time. Be sure to enter accurate information to get the most out of your Whoop experience. After completing the sign-up process, you will be asked to download the Whoop app and pair your device with your account. The app is available for both iOS and Android devices and can be downloaded from the App Store. Once you have downloaded the app, follow the in-app instructions to pair your device with your account. Once your device is paired, you can start tracking your activity and monitoring your progress. The Whoop app allows you to track a variety of metrics, including heart rate, sleep, and exercise. You can also set goals and receive personalized recommendations to help you improve your performance. To get the most out of your Whoop experience, make sure to wear your device regularly and keep it charged. It is also a good idea to regularly sync your device with the app to ensure that your data is up to date. By following these steps and using the Whoop app consistently, you can gain valuable insights into your body and make positive changes to your lifestyle. It is also important to note that Whoop offers a free trial period, during which you can try out the device and app without committing to a purchase. This is a great way to see if Whoop is right for you and to experience the benefits of using a fitness tracker and health monitor. Overall, signing up for Whoop is a straightforward process that can help you take control of your health and fitness.